No comments. No comments. No comments. No comments. No comments. No comments.
並唔係輕機，你亦都冇聽錯。呢位不斷講 no comments 嘅人，就係英國倫敦警方以及判刑嘅法官口中有可能係英國歷史上最嚴重嘅連環性罪犯周振豪。呢位社交媒體上身光頸靚嘅富二代，亦都係倫敦大學嘅博士生，於2017年嚟到英國之後讀完大學，然後入讀博士。原來只係一位
學生嚟嘅啫。
於6月19號喺倫敦地方法院被判終身監禁，最少服刑24年先至可以申請假釋，以另類嘅方法獲得英國嘅長期居留。其實好多各大媒體以及 YouTuber 都已經詳細講過呢單案件嘅內容。小弟今日只係想講下我見到而又未見到有其他 YouTuber 觀察到嘅一啲嘢。首先睇下佢被捕嘅呢段1分鐘長嘅影片。
You Mr. Zhu, by any chance?
What's your name, sir? Zheng Hao. Pardon? Zheng Hao. Zheng Hao?
And your surname?
Yes, someone.
And your surname?
Family name, Zhou.
Pardon?
Zhou.
Have you got any ID on you at all?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you show me your ID, please, just so we can confirm who you are? That doesn't. Is there anybody else in?
I saw it was done.
Sorry? Say that again?
I remember months.
Okay, sir, I'm arresting you on suspicion of rape, okay? Because it is alleged that on the 14th of November last year, you have vaginally raped a female at this address, okay? You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Your arrest is necessary for a prompt and effective investigation, okay? Your time of let me finish. Your time of arrest is now 1:53. Come on, come out so I can check the.
Just allow something cover here.
Can I?
Want a jacket or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get that. If you shuffle out, shuffle out. Yeah, can you?
周振豪於1997年出生於中國嘅東莞，佢嘅爸爸係一間國有企業嘅法人代表以及黨總書記，係一位典型嘅官二代以及富二代。2017年嚟到北愛嘅貝爾法斯特攻讀大學學位，2019年轉入倫敦攻讀碩士以及博士學位，更加以月租4000英鎊嘅租金租下倫敦嘅一個豪宅。佢不時都喺社交媒體上 show off 佢所擁有嘅勞力士手錶以及佢所過嘅精緻生活。周振豪喺中國屬於一個官二代以及富二代，佢喺英國被拘捕時候嘅露出嘅呢個表情，除咗驚慌之外，仲有不能夠相信呢個係事實嘅表情。佢覺得點解我居然會俾人拉？完全係一個被寵壞嘅巨嬰喺面對有後果嘅時候露出嘅表情。而且法官喺判刑嘅時候，亦都提到佢嘅感法官咧同周振豪對話嘅時候，佢完全冇內疚以及後悔之心。最後呢位絕世大人魔被判終身監禁24年之後，先可以申請假釋。咁好多人都話點解呢位博士生居然需要翻譯？咁有媒體就報道佢可能係想用呢樣嘢嚟到引起同情，令到佢覺得我唔熟悉英國文化，先會做呢啲嘢。其實周振豪嘅英文水平喺小弟20幾年嘅英國經歷當中，可以話俾大家聽，佢呢個係個好典型嘅中國人嘅口音，而且好多中國人嚟到英國之後，好多年都係唔識英文。嚟到英國讀大學之後，佢同班同學絕大部分都係中國人，冇出去打工，冇同當地人溝通，亦都唔會睇英文當地嘅媒體報紙。佢哋嘅寫同讀可能好好，但係佢聽同講可能真係好差。小弟喺做 supermarket 經理嘅時候，曾經有一位喺英國逗留6年嘅碩士畢業生，居然唔能夠用英文去介紹自己。
I saw it was done.
Can check
Could you
the.
just allow something cover here?
短短2句英文已經聽得出佢呢7年嚟嘅英文完全冇進步過，而且佢仲要喺英國大學讀咗7年書，都係講啲咁嘅英文，比一啲嚟到做基層工作嘅人可能仲要更加之差。咁小弟今日其實講嘅呢段片嘅內容，其實就講到呢度就完結㗎啦。其實都係想講嚟到英國之後，唔係嚟咗幾耐，讀咗幾耐書， 你嘅英文就有幾好。周振豪嚟咗英國7年，根本完全冇諗過融入英國社會，亦都冇學好佢嘅英文。其實佢嘅英文喺好多警察以及佢嘅感化官當中嘅表現都係非常之差，亦都好多人質疑過佢嘅學位到底點樣攞返嚟。唔知道各位身邊有冇朋友嘅英文同呢位不相伯仲，甚至乎更差呢？如果真係嘅，就希望大家俾心機學好英文，亦都勸你身邊唔係好識英文而喺英國想攞居留入籍嘅人士，好好地學好啲英文。我哋下期再見。